Hello guys, so here is an update from Memefi. This is the airdrop criteria that's qualified for a larger airdrop, right? So the airdrop is going to be the mining is going to be ending in 12 days time, and we are expecting listing after the mining. And here are the criteria. Number one here is you are to earn at least 50 million coins, and this is for larger airdrop, right? Number two here is upgrade to Memefi Premium, then complete a minimum of one on-chain transaction, then make at least one transaction in Telegram stars, then participate in at least one daily giveaway. I have actually participated in many giveaways. I'm surprised why this is actually not activated, right? Then complete at least 10 campaigns. These are the tax on the campaign. So if you want to get a larger portion, like they said here, ensure to have all of these ticked so that you'll be qualified for the next thing. And when is the airdrop ending? They're actually in the last stage currently. Then the last day currently, you won't be able to earn coins anymore. You won't be able to earn any more coins after the end of the mining. Then you are eligible if you are active. If you are not, if you are not a mere passerby, you get the airdrop. Your exit allocation will be dependent on a lot of factors like your in-game activity and purchases, right? So that's what they are saying here. That's what they are saying here. And last one here is when is the airdrop max out? Let's check it. When is the airdrop max out? How to max out airdrop? Your balance and your purchases are the key criteria. So the more coins you spend or you accumulate, the more you qualify, right? Then the next one is Memefi premium users are going to get more than just an airdrop for sure. It also grants you access to lifetime grant events with mind-blowing prizes. That's what they're actually saying here. Then you have to complete on-chain tax, which is very important for your allocation. Then long-term and active users are more prioritized. Don't think we've forgotten about your PAX activity. Your activity will yield your well-deserved reward. So guys, this is actually what they published. And if you want to get more allocations, larger allocations, ensure to complete all of these things. Have it checked green, so that you'll be qualified to get more of the allocations. We hope Memefi doesn't disappoint us. Hope you find this video valuable. If you do, and if you feel anything good about Memefi or anything you feel, just let me know in the comment section. And also, if you like this video, drop a like, comment, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that once I drop valuable videos like this, you will be notified and you'll be able to use them to your advantage. I'm also going to be making more videos about Memefi once I get more updates about the listing, update, trading, and so on.